Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I own a lot of credit cards, and as you guessed it, I definitely set up autopay for all of them. And usually I can quickly figure it out without any help, but Bank of America took me quite a bit to figure it out, especially when their help guide is just trash. And if you've been down that rabbit hole, don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can set up autopay for your credit card. But first, if you don't have a checking account with Bank of America, you'll want to set up your external bank this way. So you have to go to Pay and Transfer, and then under Bill Pay, Manage Accounts from Other Banks. Then click on the other tab, Other Pay from Accounts, then add a pay from account you own at another institution, and then just fill out the information, name it, pick the right account type, put in your routing number and also account number. You should see two small amounts in your bank accounts. A few days later, just take those amounts and verify it back on this screen in order to confirm your add to account. And then finally, let's get to how you add the auto pay to your credit card. Contrary to what would seem intuitive, instead of going under BOA credit cards, you actually have to go under bill pay. Nope, not view manage payments, but make a payment. So I have two credit cards with Bank of America. I had already set up autopay successfully on one of them. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up for my other one. So notice there's no green on icon next to eBills. So I actually have to first request eBills. So that's what you have to do here. It's going to ask for your last 4 digits of your social. Just go ahead and enter that. And no need to click this checkbox. I think it's really sneaky that they put it there. That's basically saying that you agree to let them share your information to like advertisers. Don't bother with that. Just hit the submit button. And then even though you get this pop-up, it may not automatically turn it to green. So you may actually have to just refresh the web page. And then at this point, you can finally see that auto pay hyperlink show up for that new account. And then at this point, you just follow the instructions to set up autopay. Select the bank account you want to pay from. You can pick when you want the payment to be posted. Select the payment amount. Always recommend paying off your balance every month. So that would be by the statement balance. And you can also check if you want to get email notifications about it too. Hit that start sending payments button and you're finally set up with autopay for your Bank of America credit card. If you're watching this Bank of America, please update your website and your mobile app so that it is much easier. But guys, if this helped you out, please let me know by hitting that like button. It took me a long time to do the blurring. If you want to see more credit card videos like this, make sure you subscribe.